How is everybody doing tonight? That's better. I guess. Y'all could do better. Third time's a charm, but we're not gonna do that. Here's a new one for y'all. If I sing but don't have love, I waste my breath with every song I bring. An empty voice, a hollow noise. If I speak with a silver tongue, convince a crowd, don't have love, I leave a bitter taste with every word I say. So let my life be the proof of your love. Let my love look like you and what you're made of. How you live, how you die, love is sacrifice. So let my life be the proof of your love. If I give to a needy soul that don't have love, who is for? It seems all the poverty is found in me. So let my life be the proof of your love. Let my love look like you and what you're made of. How you live, how you die, love is sacrifice. So let my life be the proof of your love. Oh, 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 oh. When it's all said and done, whoa, oh, oh. And we sing a final song, only love remains, only love remains.
If I speak in tongues of men and of angels, but have not love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have a faith that can move mountains, but have not love, I am nothing. If I give all I possess to the poor and surrender my body to the flames, but have not love, I gain nothing. No matter what we say, no matter what we believe, no matter what we do, we are bankrupt without love.
So let my life be the proof of your love. Let my love look like you and what you're made